Have you ever wondered what the EGR valve does on your car and why it can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, or even the dreaded check engine light? In this video, I'll explain exactly how the EGR valve works, why your engine needs it, the common symptoms of a failing EGR valve, and how it helps reduce harmful emissions. Let's get started. EGR stands for exhaust gas recirculation. The EGR valve is an emissions control device designed to lower combustion temperatures inside your engine. It does this by taking a small amount of exhaust gas from the exhaust manifold and routing it back into the intake manifold. Even though exhaust gases don't contain much oxygen, they help cool the combustion process when mixed with the incoming air and fuel. Lower combustion temperatures reduce the formation of harmful nitrogen oxides, also known as NOx emissions. Without an EGR system, combustion temperatures become much hotter, producing more pollution and increasing the chance of engine knocking or pinging. Here's how it works step by step. When your engine is cold or idling, the EGR valve stays closed. During these conditions, the engine needs a clean air-fuel mixture for smooth operation. As you begin driving at steady cruising speed, the engine control module, or ECU, determines that conditions are right to open the EGR valve. On older vehicles, engine vacuum opens the valve. On most modern vehicles, an electronic EGR valve receives commands directly from the ECU using an electric motor or solenoid. Once opened, a controlled amount of exhaust gas flows from the exhaust manifold into the intake manifold. These exhaust gases mix with the incoming air before entering the combustion chambers. Because the exhaust gas contains very little oxygen, it slows the combustion process and lowers cylinder temperatures by several hundred degrees. The ECU constantly monitors engine load, RPM, throttle position, coolant temperature, and other sensor inputs to adjust exactly how much the EGR valve opens. During hard acceleration or wide open throttle, the EGR valve closes completely. The engine needs maximum fresh air for the best power and performance. Like any engine component, the EGR valve can become clogged with carbon deposits over time. If the valve sticks open, too much exhaust gas enters the engine, causing rough idle, engine stalling, poor acceleration, engine misfires, reduced fuel economy. If the valve sticks closed, combustion temperatures rise, which may cause spark knock or pinging, increased NOx emissions, failed emissions testing, check engine light. Common diagnostic trouble codes include P0400, P0401, P0402, P0404, P0405. Many EGR problems are caused by carbon buildup rather than complete valve failure, so cleaning the valve may restore proper operation if caught early. Now you know exactly how the EGR valve works and why it's such an important part of your engine's emissions and performance system. If this video helped you understand your vehicle a little better, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy-to-understand automotive repair videos, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.